guys, welcome back. I have another unboxing, unbagging video for you guys today. I was out and about this morning and I came home to my Sushi Cars order having been delivered. So I thought I would show you guys what I got and what I think about it. I only got the one item. I got the Be Packed for my daughter Anastasia for kindergarten. So let's see what it's like. So here it is here. I haven't even looked at it yet. I'm showing you first. Aw, that's actually really cute. Oh, I got a coin purse as well. So that's the coin purse there. It's got some popcorn dude on the back. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so I really like this dragon uni dude right there. I don't know what his or her name is. But, yes, let's see what else there is on there. Yeah. So my daughter is currently using a mini Bee, but I figured the Be Packed would be good for her because it's a little bit bigger. There's the backpack straps. And these seem really comfortable actually. I like the way that they're shaped. They kind of come down, they're tapered. Nobody's mentioned that in all their first looks. Nobody said, oh look, they're tapered. I reckon that's kind of a nifty thing to do, especially if these are designed for kids' backpacks. But you can use them as diaper bags. Inside, of course, you've got the two pockets. Oh, that green it's really green. I like how this doesn't come all the way down. It goes about halfway down. This flappy thing is a bit bizarre. I'm probably just going to like fold it up and just like clip it up the top there because Anna's not going to use that. It's from the tech pocket in case anybody was wondering. Well, I guess in the BRB that's the elastic pocket, right? So I don't know why they did that, but you could always pop it in this elastic pocket here if you wanted to, if you didn't want to use it or whatever, or have it flapping down there. But elastic pocket here, I like it. I think it's perfect for Anna, and I love the print placement. Ironically, I really like the Sushi Cars, but there's one print placement that I really like more, which really doesn't have any Sushi Cars on it. It's just like Donatella. It's basically this, but I think a little bit further down, or it's the bit that's got Donatella on the little stand saying that she came third. That's the one I like the most. Okay, so there's the Sushi Cars Be Packed. That's all I got. I wanted to look at it first before I decided if I want anything else. I think I might have a Be Dapper that one of my friends is going to sell me. She got an extra one. So yeah, there we go. And the other thing is for me, oh, this is the Vector, XY Vector. This is in the grey matter. So this I'm looking forward to using to basically replace my adult kind of looking BRBs. And people have raved about this bag, how great it is, and once you use it you don't want to go back to the BRB. I do really like the this color actually. The material is different. Like my son has a jean hatch, and I've got a video that I did of that one as well, packing that as a diaper bag, and that's actually really cool. I really like the look of it. This is a different material. This is even different to chrome. It's kind of more a textured weave. It's got lots of pockets. If you look in the side here, in the middle here, in the front here, you've got two mesh pockets and a key leash, which is cool. And then a pocket up the top here. It's got two mesh pockets as well. You've got a bottle pocket on one side. And this has the sunglass case in it. And then the other side is just a regular bottle pocket with an elastic mesh. No zipper on the back. I thought they may have a zipper on the back, but they don't. Oh, there's a zip thing up the top here that's a tech pocket. And then if you go into the main section, oh, it's up. And, oh, nice change pad. These are really nice. Ooh, it's squishy. You've got the same kind of flat thing like on the BRB. And then in the inside, wow, it is huge on the inside. So there's lots of organization. I think is really cool. So I do really like this. And it's funny how with the gray matter, they've actually, the logo here is that matte black, whereas on all the other ones, it's the silver. So, it's a little bit bizarre. Anyway, okay, so there's my little unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon for a packing video on either one. Which one? Do you want me to do a diaper bag video on this one? I might do it just because I'm curious, right? How about on the Vector as well? Yeah? Okay, cool. Alright guys, have a great day and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.